Hello, BC Auto Parts here. We've got an 04 Ford F-150 four-wheel drive, 5.4 liter 4R75E automatic overdrive trans. 247,000 miles on this bad motor, and everything else is pretty much bad on it, looks like so far. She's in pretty rough shape. Infamous Triton motor, 3-valve. Info sticker, gray black interior cloth. As you can see, it's pretty icky looking. Let's see if I can get your mileage statement. I don't know if you can see it, 246, 980 something. Jeez, in pretty nasty shape. Well, I'm gonna get this thing, well, I should say I'm gonna inventory whatever's good on it, get this thing listed, get all these parts available at bcauto.net. And thank you for watching.